Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be solving question 29 from Miscellaneous Exercises on chapter 9, class 11th. So here the question says a person writes a letter to 4 of his friends, right? Suppose we have this person, he writes a letter to 4 of his friends, first, second, third and fourth, correct? Then what he do? And he asks each of his friends to copy the letter and mail to 4 different persons with the instruction that they move the chain similarly. So that means each of his friend then again mail to 4 other people which are in his contact, correct? So here give the instruction to each one of these people that they will again forward it to 4 people they know, correct? So that means, you see, in third set we have a lot of people here, each corresponding to 4 of the earlier, right? So in the question they are saying, assuming that the chain is not broken, so each person is forwarding or mailing the letter to 4 persons ahead, and you have to assume that the cost is 50 paisa to mail one letter, correct? So then we have to find the total amount which is spent on the postage when the 8th set of letter is mailed. So that means we have to see how many transactions have been taken place, how many mails have been posted in this case, and for the posted mails we have to calculate the cost according to 50 paisa per for posting per mail, correct? So this is the question. So in doing so, you see, in 8th set you have a lot of people here which are there to receive the letter, right? So here, first of all, the person first mail the letters to 4 people. So we have in the first case 4 raised to power 1 here, correct? So 4 raised to power 1 is here. Now, why I am not taking 4 raised to power 0 case? It is because no charges have taken in this particular case, correct? So that means for mailing to the first 4 person, it takes 4 letters to be mailed. So let's take the first element as 4 raised to power and not 4 raised to power 0. And then for those 4, we are then taking 4 and 4 for each. So that means we are taking 4 raised to power 16. Here 16 letters has to be posted. Thereafter, how many letters are to be posted? 64 and so on. So you see, 4 raised to power 1, 4 raised to power 2, 4 raised to power 3 and so on up to the 8th set, which is 4 raised to power 8. These many letters has to be posted in each of the set, correct? Now we have to look for the total amount of letters which are to be posted. Once you know the total amount of letters, right, so you will be knowing that how many letters are posted in that case. So here it forms a GP clearly, and here in this case, what is the value of A? The first term is 4, the common ratio is 4, right? And we are going up to the 8th term because the 8th set of letters, it is given to us in the question that we have to calculate up to the 8th set of letters, correct? So therefore in this case the sum is basically to calculate 4 raised to power 1 plus 4 raised to power 2 plus 4 raised to power 3 and so on. So here we can use the sum of GP formula, which is Sn. It is because our R is 4 which is greater than 1. So in this case the formula would be A R raised to power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. So using this formula, substituting the values of A, R and n here, we would have 4 upon 3, 4 raised to power 8 minus 1. Now you can solve for 4 raised to power 8. It is 65536 minus 1. So it is 35535. And so you can cancel the terms here, multiply by 4. So the total amount comes out to be 87380. Hence the total letters which are to be posted is 87380, correct? And the cost for posting one letter is 50 paisa. So that means it is half rupees. So therefore, in order to mail these many letters here, we have to multiply the given amount of letters by 1 by 2, which comes out to be 43,690. So you see, this much money is required or is spent on the postage of the letters when the 8th set of letters is mailed. So you see, this is the huge amount because in this case, the letters are also huge in number, right? These many letters are to be posted. So I hope you understood this question well. Well, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.